Hey guys, welcome back to SKJ Reviews. Waving Hand ever spent hours creating content, doing SEO, running paid ads, but still getting zero viral results? Weary face, you're not alone. Most creators struggle while watching others hit millions of views effortlessly. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that's dominating TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube right now? Introducing Freezur, the AI viral video creator that's changing the game. Rocket, this isn't just another editing tool. It's your complete viral video factory that creates those addictive Brainrot videos that freeze viewers in their tracks. You know those storytelling videos you can't stop watching? Freezur makes them automatically. From idea generation to final edit, it handles everything. Script writing, hypnotic visuals, emotional voiceovers, background music, and captivating captions. It even repurposes Reddit stories into viral masterpieces. Whether you want short-form reels or 45-minute YouTube videos, Freezur delivers the high watch time that algorithms love. The best part? Freezur works in any language and for any niche. Personal stories, fantasy, horror, education, even conspiracy theories. Below showing Europe, Africa, while other creators are stuck with one style, you get multiple AI engines creating unique content that stands out. Remember how I said it creates those freezing videos? Here's why that matters. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube reward content that keeps people watching longer. Freezur's videos are scientifically designed to boost your watch time through constantly changing visuals, emotional storytelling, and moving captions that grab attention instantly. And here's the monetization magic. Money mouth face when your videos go viral. You can promote your products, services, or affiliate offers directly within the stories. Imagine your product being organically integrated into a video that gets millions of views. Freezur automatically places your promotions in the content, making it feel natural rather than sleazy. But wait, there's more. The Pro version removes all limits. Unlimited videos, maximum length content, all AI engines, commercial license to serve clients, and even reseller rights to create your own business. Briefcase Plus. You get 2 Rank Jeet Pro for video SEO and Vitatia Pro for faceless videos included. Now, let's talk about the real power, the OEOs that make this irresistible. Fire the basic elite version is great, but the all-inclusive Pro package is where the magic happens. For a limited one-time price, you get Freezur Pro with unlimited videos, all AI engines, maximum video length up to 45 minutes, 50,000 welcome credits, full library access, image-to-video feature, clip-on-clip videos, 11 Labs integration, and commercial license to serve clients. But that's not all. You also get Freezur Reseller with 70 licenses to sell and keep 100% profits. Money Bag plus Vitatia Pro for faceless videos and 2 Rank Jeet Pro for dominating video SEO. This is literally everything you need to build a complete video empire. I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive. But here's the shocking part. For less than what most people spend on coffee for a month, you're getting a complete viral video production studio that works 24/7. Money with wings, and the best part? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If Freezur doesn't deliver viral results, you get every penny back, no questions asked. The risk is 100% on me. The opportunity is 100% yours. Shield, thousands of creators are already using this to get millions of views while you're still thinking about it. The price is rising soon as more features get added, so now is your chance to lock in the lowest price forever. So here's my challenge to you. Click that link in the description right now and get Freezur at the lowest price. Direct hit try it risk-free for 30 days. If it doesn't help you create viral videos that boost your watch time and grow your audience, just request a refund through their 24/6 support. You've got nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Remember guys, success in video marketing isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Brain, while others struggle with complex editing software, you'll be creating hypnotic viral videos in minutes. The algorithm doesn't care about your editing skills. It cares about watch time. And that's exactly what Freezur delivers perfectly. I want you to succeed. That's why I'm so excited about this tool. Drop a comment below telling me what business you're in. I read every single one. Speech balloon if this video helped you. Do me a favor. Like, share with your friends who need viral videos, and subscribe to SKJ Reviews with the bell icon so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, your viral breakthrough is just one click away. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.